No.
I thought I was right.
6, 7.
Yippee, it's Christmas! Yippee, it's Christmas!
Bells are jingling in my ear.
Yippee, it's Christmas! Yippee, it's Christmas!
Will I be a good person or bad this year?
Good or bad, let's make it clear. I'm hoping Santa's proud of me.
We'll find out.
Yay, yay.